Chevrolet Equinox 2010 to 2017 2.4 engine, the crankshaft position sensor wiring diagram. So how you can see here, the crankshaft position sensor connector looks like this. So this sensor has 3 pins, 1, 2, 3. This is the lock. So pin number 1, purple white, the wire is purple white color. Pin number 1 go to the ECM. On the ECM it pin number 10. Pin number 2 on the sensor go to the pin number 25. Pin number 3 go to the pin number 26. So on the ECM you can find the 3 harness connectors like this. So you need to find the black with gray lock. It can looks like this. So on these connectors you can see the pin number 1 start. This is the lock, this one. So this is this one. So you need to find the pin number 1 here, pin number 16 is here, pin 17 here, and pin 32 is here. So when you find everything, so you need to check the continuity, you can check the resistance, you can find the problem and fix your car. So this diagram is very helpful if you replace the part but the problem is still there. You might need to check the wiring. So okay, thank you for watching, have a good day.